Alrighty, folks. Well, it's Christmas dinner time, and I'm going to have to cook up quite a bit of stuff. Well, I'm going to show you with just these three simple ingredients how I make one of the best, well, what I consider some of the best um, candy ham you can make. And especially with these two simple ingredients will make a sauce that will rival anything in those packages, I swear. At least to my taste buds. Now, everybody else got it, but you'll see. It makes almost like a sweet and sour, I would say. And of course, we've got some pineapple slices here and big old ham. So I'm gonna have to cook up quite a bit of stuff here. I gotta make mashed potatoes and all that kind of stuff. Now, the mashed potatoes I probably won't show you. You know, that can get a bit strange. This means something. This is important. Okay, folks, of course, some clove honey, 100% pure. Now, the good thing about this recipe, it won't take too much. The ingredients all together are only about, I'd say, $10 if you have to buy them. But you get to keep the rest, of course, because you ain't going to use it all for this little ham. With what I got, would actually do quite a big ham if you had to. Alright, and Heinz 57. I'm not sure if you can get Heinz 57. This is a key ingredient. Now you notice they have these little glazed chicken, that kind of little deals, and that's kind of where my dad found this recipe a long time ago. And I tell you what, we made a ham with it, and I ran around with some of the ham to a bunch of relatives, friends, and I tell you what, I had phone calls basically. Hey, how'd you make that sauce? So easy. So we're going to show you how to make it right here. Good thing about it, you can always add to it if you don't got enough. So no big deal. Alright, and I'm going to make this basic. Sometimes I would add pineapple juice, all sorts of weird stuff to try to make it a little different. But we're going straight traditional version. Just honey and Heinz 57. Now, if you can't get Heinz 57 in your area, you can order it online. I'm not sure how it costs you, but it is essential. And you just mix it to taste, basically. Oh, that's pretty close. Say a little more sour. And it will make a nice, like, almost molasses, reddish, dark mix thing. Looks really good on your ham too. Oh yeah, we're getting close there. You can also change it up with mustard, all sorts of things. All right, hands down. Oh yeah, way tastier. I tell you what, this is way better, well, at least to my taste buds. Heinz 57 and honey will make a delicious candy ham. Now let's finish the candy ham. Just splitting it up a bit. Of course, I'm just prepping for the emerald. Get the emerald going. All right. There we go. Now, since I got it pronged, should pretty much stay together, I think. Let's see if we can, yeah, get some of these slices open. I don't need to get every one of them open. Just where we're going to put the goods. What are you doing? I want to get it. Open it up so everything gets in there too. Anyways, okay. Yeah, because this one wasn't cut very well. Some of these slices are not coming apart very well, but that's okay. We'll make do. There we go. Okay. So, let's see how this will turn out. Stuff the pineapple down in there. And the prong should, got it nice and tight, should keep it all mostly together. Just trying to get those, get them way down in there. Oh yeah, that'll make a difference. That'll keep that juice going. It'll make any ham good. I'm not saying this is a bad ham. Should be a pretty good ham. This is just one of those Kroger specials. It doesn't matter if you mulch them or pulp them because it will just make it all the better. I do like pineapple. I don't eat it enough, I don't think. I'm gonna give it a pre-lather. Should spoon it out anyway, though. Give it a real soak. I'm gonna have to make some more. There we go. Now look at that. What do you think so far, folks? Looks like I'm on game point. All right. Now let's get in the rotisserie. Get ready. I'm gonna get going. It's already smelling amazing, folks. Tell you what, this started kicking out some heat. I had to turn it down there for the final minutes. So it got a good crisp, and that's what I wanted. I hate when they're not crispy at all, just like they almost been warmed up in a microwave. That ain't a good cooked ham to me. The air fry too, I want crisp. It fit really well, even though that's a pretty good sized ham. Go in, this Emerald actually has a lot of room for the older model. The new model looks like it's could fit two of these inside of it. All right, let's get it out. No hassle here. Let's see if this works good. Oh, look at that. Am I gonna get it? There we go. Woof! Look at that mess. You can tell that rotisserie actually keeps a lot of the juices on it while it's spinning. Okay. It's still pretty hot. Alright, well, let's finish it up. Time for some toppings. So basically, I got some leftover pineapple here just to pretty it up. Okay, let that soak. Pop this rascal in on the warmer, put some tin foil on it. Get it ready for Christmas dinner. Hopefully, it's a hit, huh? I think I'll like it no matter what. And we'll have a taste test here in a bit. Okay, I'll come back with the leftovers and do a review on my own, or maybe even there right where I'm eating at dinner. But we'll see how it goes. All right. Anyways, that's the candy ham recipe. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna go enjoy. See you in a bit. All right, here's my ham. Check it out. Turned out really good, really tasty so far.
Yum.
Ham agrees. Stepmom agrees. Try it out. Mmm. Very sweet and a little sour. Tell you what, try my sauce out. You will not be disappointed. It's way better than what's in the package. Trust me.